Hello traders, FX Pep Collector here. Today is Friday, April 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, I want to let everybody know about my new Forex trading course, available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the US dollar yen monthly, I do believe that this is the end of a wave C, and if that is the end of a wave C, then this is actually just going to end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. Now that doesn't mean that we won't get some big moves to the upside on the sort of time frames, but I do believe that any moves we see to the upside are going to be corrections to the downtrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely looks to me like a series of lower lows, lower highs. I still think this is a wave one. I still think we may have possibly already ended a wave two, and that this move up right here is just a correction to the move down, all part of a big wave three. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see what I think is a A, three waves down for the B, and this does look like a wave C. That looks like to me at the end of a correction. This looks to me like a downtrend, making me think that this move up is an ABC correction, which it kind of looks like it already ended a correction right at the 50%. If that is the end of a correction, then that should end up continuing the downtrend like that. Now the problem I have with the US dollar yen is we have a weak dollar versus a weak yen, which makes me doubt this pattern because I want to trade weak versus strong or strong versus weak. I don't really want to trade weak versus weak. It makes for a very choppy and a very uncertain market. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it does look like the end of a correction. It did break structure and it is going down. So far everything is looking good. I do think that what should happen is it should just keep on trending down like that. So I am going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks like an A, kind of looks like it made a B, and it looks like it wants to go up a little bit to make a C. Now, we are definitely in a downtrend right now, so I really wouldn't be surprised if it just turned down like that pretty much at any point. It already made a 50% Fibonacci bounce, so we'll see if this wave C goes up to maybe the 61.8, which would make a lot of sense if it did. Maybe something like this and then go down. But like I said, we're definitely in a downtrend, and I really wouldn't be surprised if it just did something like that also. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.